birthday kasama ang libo-libong mga teachers ng lalawigan ng Rizal. Nang huli ko pong maranasan na mag-birthday kasama ang aking teacher, ay noong kindergarten pa po ako sa Assumption dito sa lungsod ng Antipolo. Yun din po yata ang una at huling pagkakataon na ako ay inalikan ng isang teacher sa araw ng birthday ko. Pag may humalik pong teacher sa akin sa araw na ito, ang masasabi ko lang po, pakiramdam ko, kindergarten na naman ako. May isa pa po akong natatandaan noong ako ay kindergarten. Nang panahon iyon, ang teacher ko ang isa sa bida sa buhay ko. Katulad ng maraming bata, ang kindergarten teacher ko, para sa akin, ang pinakamaganda, pinakamagaling, pinakamabait, at pinakamatalino. Sa madaling salita, para sa akin, ang kindergarten teacher ko ay isang reyna. Sa araw na ito, ako at ang buong lalawigan ng Rizal ay nagbabalik sa aming pagka-kindergarten. Sa hapong ito, nais namin ipaalam sa buong mundo, sa buong bansa at buong mundo, na para sa amin, ang mga teachers ng aming lalawigan, ang pinakamaganda, pinakamabait, pinakamagaling, at pinakamatalino. Sabi ko, para sa isang kindergarten pupil, ang kanyang kindergarten teacher ay isang hari o isang reyna. Kaya sa araw na ito, lalagyan natin sila ng kanilang mga crowns. Sa hapong ito, ang pagdaraos natin ng Koronasyon 2011 ay isa ring koronasyon ng mga guro ng lalawigan ng Rizal. Sa mga 2011 Koronasyon awardees, tanggapin po ninyo ang taus-pusong congratulations at pasasalamat ng ating pamilya at lahat ng ating mga kalalawigan at mga kababayan. Sa pagbubukas po, balik lang po ako ulit sa ating kindergarten days. Sa palagay ko, wala po yatang batang kindergarten ang hindi naturuang kulain at kantahin. Pasensya na po kayo. Sabi po kanina ni Bishop, ang natutunan daw po ng mga kahenerasyon po niya ay the owl. Hindi ko yata naituro sa akin yun. By the way, I forgot to acknowledge Bishop Gabby Reyes. Palakpakan po natin muli si Bishop. At maraming salamat po, Bishop. Pinakunlakan nyo rin po ang aming paanyaya ngayong araw. Tutulad po na aking nabanggit, nung mga panahon yun, hindi po daaw lang naituro sa akin, kundi Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Siguro naman po, lahat tayo o lahat kami mga kabataan na ituro ang tulang Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Pati ang anak kong si Cassandra, kabisado rin po ang tulang yan. Maganda naman po kasi ang tula. At sa palagay ko, ito ang unang written piece na nabasa natin o namin na malalim ang aral at kabuluhan. How I wonder what you are, like a diamond in the sky, sabi ng tula. Nagpapasalamat ako sa aking teacher sa pagtuturo ng tulang yan. Kasi dito po natutuhan ang maghanap at tumingin sa stars, ang maghanap ng mga wonders, ang mag-appreciate ng diamonds in the sky. At kaming lahat ng mga Rizaleño nagbabalik kindergarten sa araw na ito ay masasabing tapat ang isang bagay. You, our teachers, are our stars. You are our wonders. You, our teachers, are our diamonds. But not in the sky, but right here in our midst. So, congratulations po muli at welcome sa inyo lahat sa Luzon ng Antipolo.
Tunay na kapuri-puri ang gawa na ito na pinangunahan ni dating Congressman Duavit. Ang mga guro na humuhubog sa isipan ng mga kabataan. Sila ang mga tao na may malaking ginagampanan sa paghubog ng ating kinabukasan. Masasabi kong tunay na makulay, makasaysayan at napakasaya ng nasabing okasyon. Muli, sa mga pinarangalan noong nakaraang koronasyon, pagbati at mabuhay kayong lahat.
Rizal, a unique and multi-faceted business and travel destination which can delight the most discriminating local and foreign tourists. Located east of Metro Manila, Rizal enjoys a natural shield against strong typhoons coming in from the Pacific Ocean due to the Sierra Madre mountain ranges. National artist and icon Carlos Botong Francisco, Vicente Manansala, and the musically prolific Maestro Lucio San Pedro were all from Rizal. Rizal is a microcosm of the Philippines. Artistically inclined ancestry, the only province named after the national hero, Dr. Jose Rizal. Rich and diverse cultural heritage, innate artistry, creativity of our people, passed on from generation to generation. Its people express themselves strongly, aggressively, and precisely through their works in a spirit expressive of Filipino culture and demonstrate an indigenous creativeness and originality. Every town has a certain theme, a certain flavor, a certain craftsmanship that spawned one town, one product, Philippine. In the town of Angono, Rizal, creative economy booms. Angono is popularly known as the art capital of the Philippines. Angono also known for the Philippines' oldest prehistoric work of art, the Angono petroglyphics. The Gigantes of Angono are giant arts showcasing the artistry ability and fanfare of the people of Angono. As an art capital, Angono has several art galleries and studios to house and display the works of its global artists. Being the art capital of the Philippines, Angono champions creativity in all its forms: arts, music, literature, food, handicrafts, and translates it into valuable assets, thus claiming creative economy as its major strength. Converging creativity, innovation, and business, Angono showcases artistic ability and fanfare of its people. One Town, One Product Philippines takes the booming creative art of Angono to a higher ground of recognition and patronage. In Baras, Rizal, organic grains, vegetables, and fruits industry is flourishing. Baras is one of the smallest municipalities of the province of Rizal. Baras is endowed with diverse natural features, ranging from the calm waters of the Laguna de Bay, the plains and valleys, to the forested uplands of Sierra Madre. Its vegetation landscapes gave the small town the name Organic Veggies Capital of Rizal. As small as it is, Baras is making its name in the local market with its healthy veggies produced using all organic materials only. As the first municipality in the entire Philippines to actively promoting organic agricultural products, Baras boasts the production and manufacturing of organic products, also known as the home of the martial art, Sikaran. Baras affirms that healthy food and fitness are its strengths. One town, one product, Baras. Organic grains, vegetables, and fruits. In Binangonan, the municipality of this town is rich in fishery resources, having more than 30 kilometers of lakeshore area and comprises about 30,000 hectares of Laguna de Bay. Binangonan is a triangular-shaped town lying between the foothills of Sierra Madre Mountains and the northeastern part of Laguna de Bay. Fish production and aquaculture operations, fish pens, and fish cages makes Binangonan abundant of the different species of fish, particularly bangus. Throughout the year, the lakeside municipality of Binangonan is blessed with an abundance of fish, taking advantage to fish species such as bangus, tilapia, and carp. Binangonan is processing these into value-added products. Smoked fish, stuffed bangus, boneless bangus, sardine-style fish, fish nuggets is its product contribution to the One Town, One Product Philippines. In Taytay, Builders Woodworks manufacturers produce doors and jambs, windows, cabinets, wood trusses, and other wood furnishings needed in house and building construction. The municipality of Taytay Rizal has been noted for its fine craftsmanship in woodworks